Yeah, it'll be on New Positivity TV. Well,
Is that right?
yeah.
Oh, how nice.
Okay.
Okay, good.
All right. Okay. And what was your name?
Larry Brown.
Larry Brown. You the one that
I restored him.
restored him. Okay.
You retired deputy.
Oh, retired deputy. Wow. How many years?
34.
Wow. Wow. Cool. What year did you start?
I started in 1965.
Wow.
Retired in 2000.
Wow. Yeah. Look great, man. Looks good. And then I heard you say I love you to somebody, so.
That was my
Talking
wife
to
that I've been
himself.
married to 51 years. Huh?
Talking to himself.
Wow, man. All right, gentlemen. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Pat in the back. How many miles does this have on it?
100 and something.
100 and something. Still fires up,
It's
huh?
close, so I don't know.
Wow.
Sorry about this, Nick. I know, you know.
Yeah, the old antique lights.
And those are date specific to the year of the car.
Oh, dated
Everything's
Pacific.
period specific how it was in 91.
With it 91, the old lights where you spotlights. Wow.
Then you can come back down tomorrow.
How we doing? Yeah, it's pretty. See old times. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year's to you too. No, you taking care of what you got to take care of. No problem. No worries. Hey, those are some good looking hoodies too. I like that on the back, you know. Check that out, guys. The old antique car on the back. Only on New Positivity TV.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you fine, no.
Did you take my card?
Huh?
He walked over there with my card.
He did, yeah. He's buying a sweatshirt. He didn't need your butt.
Yeah, that's about the best.
I think that's a better way to go.
And if you don't mind, I'll come down to
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hey guys, look at this. Look at that old time radio, guys. Roll cage in the back where you stick the prisoners. He said I can sit in here too, so I'm gonna have a seat in here, guys. New Positivity TV. How many miles? Oh, there you go. That's the, I can see the miles, guys. I was asking him how many miles because I thought you had that. But remember, this is an antique, so you can see the miles right up here originally. Tilt steering wheel. Look at that. It's really nice, guys. top. New Positivity TV. What year is the cars, guys? What year is the car?
This is 76.
91, 76.
Thank you.
These were actually in service? These cars before? No, okay. Oh, this one?
Excuse me.
Oh, sure, sure. Nice.
It's his.
Oh, wow.
He's the one that restored it all.
Oh, really? Wow.
Canopy, thank you. Yeah. Where my canopy is, where the Malibu was.
What do you guys think of these old cars? Old computers. 911.
I don't think so.
This one's a Ford, I believe. Yeah, this is a Ford. And then this one's a Nova. No, look at the old hat in the back.
So you may have to wait for home with us. You know what?